Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I have a new budget category product to show you all. Thing is, a lot of you people were asking me in the comment section like, hey Vimal, can you cover some new budget category peripherals like maybe gaming headsets, keyboards, mice and stuff like that. And I thought, hey, that is not a bad idea. I can definitely do that. So in this video guys, I have a very affordable gaming headset to show you all, and it costs only around like 1300 rupees in India. This one is from Ant Esports and is called as the H630. It's a wired gaming headset that features RGB lighting on it. It's compatible with multiple platforms like works on Xbox, PlayStation, and works on PC and smartphone as well. And on top of that, it does have an integrated microphone as well. So guys, in this video, I'll be unboxing it and giving my review on the product. So let's get started. So here's our brand new gaming headset from Ant Esports, the H630. It's a budget category wired headset that has some pretty decent features, like it's got RGB lighting, 50 big drivers for deep bass, and has soft earpads for comfortable experience. So those were some of its highlights. And over here you've got the specs of the product. You guys can just pause the video and have a look at them. Talking about the compatibility, it's multi-platform compatible, like works on PC, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Wii, and even on your smartphone. That is pretty much it guys, there is nothing else written on it. So let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut the seal on the box. There we go. Let's open the package and check out the product. So the headset comes packed like this, and along with that you do get some paperwork as well, like there's a user manual and a warranty card. Keeping them aside, let's finally check out the headset, the Ant Esports H630. It's available only in one color for now, the standard black color edition, and this is how the headset looks like. Oh, this is quite big in size. You've got the Ant Esports branding on the ear cups and has a two-tone design over here. The build quality is pretty good. It looks a bit plasticky, but again, it's a very affordable variant, right? So you can't complain much. It's got a glossy finish all over the ear cups and has an integrated mic built into the headset's design, so it's not detachable. And if you're wondering where the RGB lighting is, well, it's on the ear cups. It's got circular RGB lighting and even the Ant Esports logo is backlit. Going to the top side, this is how the headband looks like. You've got the Ant Esports branding and it's quite flexible, can easily fit most of the head sizes. And talking about the earpads, it's got nice cushions covered in protein leather and feels soft and spongy. There's not much of padding on the headband, but enough to get your job done. So that was our overview on the headset. Now let me also show you the cable. It's a pretty thick and long 2.2-meter cable, and there's no remote control over here. You've got the volume control knob built into the ear cup itself. The cable splits into three parts at the end, a USB for the RGB lighting and two 3.5mm cables, one for the audio and the other for the microphone. So that was our detailed overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me just put them on and tell you about the comfort and the sound. The H630 is a wired gaming headset and weighs around 325 grams. Some people may find it a bit heavy and also a bit big in size, but I have to tell you it feels quite comfortable thanks to the cushioning. Now let me tell you about the sound. Before I say anything over here, first of all you'll have to keep in mind that the H630 is a very affordable RGB gaming headset, so don't expect too much from it. I've been using it for the past few days and I can say the sound quality is actually decent for the price. The mids felt crispy, you could easily understand all the in-game dialogues. The treble was average though, I felt it lacked those smooth high frequencies I was looking for. Coming to the low frequency response, the bass was nice. It was producing decently good bass thanks to those big 50 drivers. Sounds like gun firing, bomb blast and those in-game sound effects felt nice and punchy. See, on the overall, the audio quality was decently good. You'll be quite satisfied for the price that you're paying. Only thing I felt is the audio output on the headset was a bit limited, so I had to use the headphones most of the time at maximum volume only, and yet I was not that satisfied with the output. And also, if you're wondering about the sound stage and the spatialness, see, it's a simple stereo headset without any 7.1 spatial sound effects, so don't expect accurate enemy tracking or detecting footsteps or anything like that. But for the price of around 1300 rupees, I felt it was doing a good job. Now let me tell you about the microphone. The H630 comes with an integrated mic and the mic quality was average during my testing. The audio sounded a bit muffled and not that great. Anyways, that was my review on the Ant Esports H630. It's a pretty decent RGB gaming headset for the price. Actually, much better than some of the models I've seen under 1000 rupees. Nice build quality, beautiful RGB lighting, compatible with multiple platforms, and also offers good sound for gaming. Only thing I felt, as I've told you just now, is the audio output on these headphones is a bit limited, no matter you use it on your PC or even on smartphones. The headset costs around 1300 rupees in India. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed it and found the video useful. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.